The fact of the plates moving around is why the mountains are up in the middle, and also that's why they have the volcanoes and the hot springs, hot mineral waters. Anybody planning on going to a hot spring, an onsen? Lovely. I hope I'll get to go to one. They're great. The only problem is you've got to take all your clothes off. And some people think that's a bit strange, but they do. I've been to one before in a hotel, and you walk around with no clothes on, and everybody else is, and nobody's bothered. It's great, but you can't take a camera with you. So the Japanese have learned to take the earthquakes and these things in their stride. Interestingly, I don't know if anybody went to the top of the port tower today, but if you looked at the very, very top of it, there's like hydraulic struts, and I think they're earthquake proofing. That's what they use to stop the tower falling over if there was, unfortunately, an earthquake. Now, typhoons are an annual event each August and September when they come in from the Pacific Ocean. And this is a weather map showing the weather in April. Japan has a varied climate. If you're up north, it's quite cold. And if you're in the south, it's quite hot. So if you want to ski, go to Hokkaido. If you want to sunbathe, go to Okinawa. And this is the temperature range during April. And it's quite a few degrees different. At the top, you see Sapporo, 2 degrees. Down at the bottom, Okinawa, 22 degrees. So I would think as we go south, it will get a bit warmer. And then as we go north, it will change. The seasons are very distinct in Japan. You've got spring, summer, autumn, winter. And we are visiting in spring, which is the best time for visiting Japan because of the cherry blossom, which appears during April this year. It's a major, major event in Japan. It's massive for tourism. And the Japanese celebrate cherry blossom time with what they call hanami, which is flower viewing parties. They dress up in their kimonos and they go for picnics. But there's culturally a deeper philosophical significance to the ritual. The viewing of the cherry blossom, which is transient, as you know, it only lasts for a short period, it epitomizes the Japanese concept of mono no aware, which means that the melancholy and joy that we feel with something so beautiful, we realize it's so transient and impermanent. So the concept appears time and time again in Japanese life. If something isn't perfect and it won't last very long, it's all the more to treasure because of that. Now, this is the